Listen, it's going to be okay. You can't blame yourself. You did everything you could to protect him.
Yeah, well, that's just the thing.
It's Gail. She had just forgotten how to use the remote or something.
Answer it.
What? What? Where are you now?
What?
Right, we're gonna have to go.
Why?
You're saying the house is on fire.
What? What?
We've got the lad out.
Yeah, it's just over here.
You're going to want to check his dad and all. He's struggling to breathe.
I don't know how long he was in there. Hi, mate. Can you tell me your name?
Oh, my God!
Where are the kids?
They're fine. They're at Dev's with Addy. I had him out the back and over the fence as soon as I saw it.
You need to get checked out.
Absolutely.
Peter, you need to get checked out.
Gail reckons that boat's been a hazard for weeks.
I need a shower, I stink of smoke.
You need to calm down. Maybe we should realign your chakras.
I think I'd rather have a cold beer, love.
Hi, mate. Where is she?
Who?
Who? Abby, who do you think who?
Well, we don't know. She's not answering her phone.
Oh, no, of course she's not, because she knows the police are going to be looking for her.
What, you think she did this?
Oh, I know she did. This has got her written all over it. She gets wrecked, and she wanted to punish me.
Look, Abby's got her problems, but she'd never do that.
Really, Sal? Do you want to stake your life on that? Because I nearly lost my son. So if you do get through to her, you tell her she's best staying away. Because otherwise, she'll have me and the police to answer to.